and welcome to 404 Not Found. Today I'll be showing you how to install all the tools, developing software, and servers that I use during the Twitch live stream. Just note, this will be installed on a virtual machine with a fresh install of Windows. So let's get started. First, let's go ahead and open up our web browser to visualstudios.com. Drop down where it says Download Visual Studios and click Community. If you're using Internet Explorer, just click Run. If you're using Chrome, you would click Keep and then click on the download to start installing. Click Yes to allow the installer to start running. Click on Continue. We'll start by selecting ASP.NET in web development, as well as Node.js development. Now under individual components, we will select the following .NET Framework packages. You can ignore this part. And then finally, we will select Link to SQL Tools. In the bottom right, you'll see Install while downloading. This will ensure that downloads and installs as quick as possible, and then click Install. We will be speeding up the installs for all the components here to make it so you don't have to wait, but you can see the elapsed time in the bottom corner. The total time for all the components to be installed is about an hour. When Visual Studios is done installing, click the Close button in the upper right hand corner, and let's go back to your web browser. Now let's search for SQL Server Developers Edition. If you're using Bing, it will be the very first option. You can go and click on that. but for those using Chrome and Google, when you search SQL Server Development Edition, it will also be the first option. Either way, scroll down to where it says Developer and click Download Now. Click Run for Internet Explorer or click Cleap and then the download for Chrome. Click Yes to the security question. And the Developer Edition should automatically start working. You're going to want to click on Basic. Click Accept. And then install. We now have 2 of 4 components installed. We only have to install the SQL Server Management Suite and the IIS server. Now we're going to click on Install SSMS. This will take you to Microsoft website. You scroll down and click on Download SQL Server Management Studio. Just like before, click Run for Internet Explorer or click Next, you're going to want to close down this window. The rest of the installs will be done through Windows itself. So let's go and click on that Start menu and type Windows Features. I want to click this first option right here. Give it a moment to load. Under the .NET Framework, make sure you select all these options. And under Internet Information Systems, select all the options under Web Management Tools except IIS6 Management Console. Then under World Wide Web Services, go through each of those options and select everything. Click Yes here. to want to click OK. You can let Windows download everything. This will download and install everything needed for the IIS server, which is the web server. This will help you actually see exactly how the website will be used as you're building it. Great, the IIS server is now installed and ready to go. You do not need to reboot. So let's close this window and we're going to set up some shortcuts. So go ahead and click on your Start menu. We're going to scroll all the way down to Microsoft SQL Server Tools. Go ahead and right click where it says Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. We're going to go to the More option and then click Pin the Taskbar. Now scroll down to Visual Studios. Let's do the same thing. And lastly, this one's a little bit harder. For the IIS server, you actually have to type in Internet Information Systems. And you'll see right here. You can right click it, and pin the taskbar. Now this last step is completely optional. You can go ahead and easily get away with not using those at all. But that is it. That is the complete install of Visual Studio's SQL Server and Management Tools and your IIS web server. See you guys on the stream.